and especially to you for watching this video. So yeah, let's make Sally and Mary some Christmas dresses. I'm going to do it in a quick and an easy way. I'm just gonna there's no sewing, and okay, if you want to sew it, you can do that. I'm just gonna use just all this little stuff that's lying here, different. You will see what I'm going to do. I've got ideas, hope it's gonna work, but I'm just gonna use my glue gun somewhere, because it's a Christmas dress. Is not something they're gonna wear to other occasions or something. So yeah, I'm just gonna somewhere use the glue gun. So in that case, let's get started. Okay, so let's start by Mary first. I'm going to dress them from head to toe. So I'm going to make some jewelry as well for them. And then this is what I'm going to use for Mary's dress. This is just a sleeve I cut off from a t-shirt, and I'm going to use for the dress. I hope it's going to work. We'll see. I've got an idea in mind. Mary's going to all dress like she's going to have like a type of Santa Claus dress. Well, that's Mary's. She's always over the top, so likes attention. So I'm going to use this for in around the dress. This is just that wool. Well, I tried to crochet and it with this I can't. I forever lose the stitches. So and this is just bias binding. The only reason I used the bias binding is because it's the only thing that is the width of the buckle. I'm going to use this for the buckle. I don't have ribbon wide enough, so yeah. And yeah, so I'm basically gonna just no sew dress, but I'm gonna use my glue gun for this. Okay, so that's all the stuff for Mary's dress. So yeah, let's make a dress. Okay, I think both the sisters came out gorgeous. Um, like Mary is most the daredevil. So yeah, I like a Christmas suit kind of dress. And the boots fits perfectly by this dress, I think. So yeah, the bracelet was I got it. I can't remember. I bought something and I got this pink bracelet inside there, and so yeah, I just made it silver with the Sharpie and put some rhinestones on it, and I think it looks gorgeous. So yeah, she's ready for Christmas. And then with Mary, I don't know, I forgot to put my um, camera on again. So yeah, I just made some new earrings because one of her earrings broke off and got lost. I um, just saw it now when I was busy dressing her. So yeah, I had to make some new, and I turned off my camera and I didn't put it back on. But this is just for my old charm bracelet that I showed you before that I used in the bar. It's like now, like there's a little elephant, and so I just took some from the chain piece of that, and I made some earrings almost the same as previously. So yeah, and the reason why I bend it in double, the that little sticky thingy, is because the rolls is a little bigger, and then it's just thicker than, otherwise it keeps on falling or out. So yeah, there is both of the sisters. And okay, I didn't have to make some bracelets because she had already. And well, the shoes, I will put the link here in a corner of how I made the shoes and even the other jewelry. Oh, and yeah, I didn't make us a necklace because of this around the neck, so it would have been just too much if she had a necklace on as well. So yeah, I think they look gorgeous. So hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, it's time to get ready for Christmas, and then see you next time. Bye.